Get ready to sleep deeply and breathe freely thanks to Life Wellness Healthcare. Their new respiratory assistance device has been developed to help sufferers of sleep apnea, like yourself. By improving the flow of air throughout your respiratory tract, the AirPhysio promotes a better night's sleep. It is a drug-free, non-invasive device which uses positive pressure to clear fluid and mucus from the lungs. With regular use, the AirPhysio can also strengthen and increase your lung capacity. Go to the website in the description to find out more.